Hi guys, hi. Thank you for clicking this video. So this is what the video is all about, as you have seen from the title. So today I'll just show you guys how I achieved this bun look. It's like the simplest hairstyle that you can do. It will definitely take you less than 30 minutes. Totally doable on a daily basis. So that's why it is amazing. And if you're new here, I am Maria. And if you're my old subscriber, thank you so much. Oh, I appreciate it. I really do. So thank you. So I will be showing you how I achieved this look, and watch it till the end, and you can just be making your hairstyle whenever you want. I chose this bun because it's small. This is like now my simplest bun to do. It's so simple, and then since I'm not going anywhere, I'm just in the house. It's cute. Like and subscribe, and welcome to this channel all about natural hair and more. But for now, yeah, I hope you enjoy. I'll be starting with my clove water and clove oil, which I made and are already in my channel, so please check that out. And I'll just spray that throughout my hair and massage it to make sure that my scalp gets air, and just to moisturize my hair so that I can actually manage it. As you can see, nilishindwa kutoa hizo braids because my hair was dry, so I needed to moisturize it. And this was putting gel anyway. Starting with moisture is always a good idea. So after that, I just went in with my gel and my brush and my band, and basically that's it. The video is actually self-explanatory, so I'll stop talking, but watch the video till the end. Thank you for being here. Subscribe to my channel, and we will join me on this journey. And since it's a journey, it's unpredictable, but I plan on doing great things, so we'll do great things together. And thank you so much. Just watch the video till the end. I really loved how this look came out, and now I'm just gonna cue in the music. Subscribe and like. The likes do play a big role. And thank you to all my 24 subscribers. Oh my god, I know like it's just 24, but I really appreciate the 24. So hey, we will grow. See you on my next video. I hope you like this. So if you try this style, it's so easy to do, and the reason for posting these videos is so that you can actually get to try this style. So if you try this style, tag me on my DM. Love you guys. So I let my hair stay. I added another wrap. As you can see, ndio equate like ilale isijaribu kuamka. So this is the extension I'm going to use. It's Afro Baby extension. It's just the normal one. And I have my big black band. So I'm just gonna show you how I install my extension quickly. And I have bobby pins. That's all I'll need to install this. Just the things. So, just to do this. So, amazing stuff. So I don't want it to be too tight, so too tight is not good. I'll secure the extension with bobby pins, cause hii extension haina zile tumeno, sitaki ianguke. So there you go. I also wanted a high band, so this is what I went for. And that is it. That is just how I like it. So thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel for more daily hair videos. So this channel is all about natural hair. I'll add in some more content, but it started out with my hair because I do my hair often, so I knew that would be consistent content. So basically, whenever I'm not going anywhere, I'm just chilling. This is it. This is how I chill in the house. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.